Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about decision tree. So let's see what is it. So in this example, a people will try to decide if he and she should go to a comedy show or not. So what is the meaning of decision tree? It will help you to take the decision according to the how much people are going, how much people are not going. So based on that data set, it will provide you the decision, what decision you should make. Okay. So here one example is already mentioned here. So read and print the data set. So first import pandas. It will help you to import the code, and from sklearn import tree. Okay, so import pi dot plus. Okay, so these are the few kinds of terms first we need to import, and these are the datas that are available. So here on screen you can see that some people said yes and some people said no. Okay, so we have to convert the non-numerical column nationality and go into the numerical value. Then only we will be able to understand, right? So for everything we have to convert it into the numerical form. So Panda has a map of method that takes the dictionary with the information to convert the value. So the first value is UK, so 0, US is 1, and N for 2. Okay, means first we converted the values into the number. The UK was 0, US is 1, and the N is 0. Okay, so it will help us to know how many people is having 0, how many people is having 1, and how many people is having 2. Okay, so the features columns are the column that we try to predict from. In that, to make a decision tree, all the data set should be numerical. Okay, so we then only we will be able to convert it. Okay, so after using all these things, what we need to do, we have to work on this only. So we have to check how many people had the yes and how many people had no. Okay, that is what we need to check. Then we will count how many numbers of yes is available there and how many numbers of no is available. So according to that comparison, we will be able to understand it. Okay, so these are the few kinds of terms that are available here. Okay, so one example is already given. So X is the feature column, Y is the target column. Okay, feature is like age, experience, rank, nationality. X is DF of features and Y is DF of go. Okay, then we will print this particular thing. Now we can create the actual decision tree, fit it, and it will provide you the result of it. Okay, so these are the few kinds of terms we need to mention. You can pause this video and you will be able to see the syntax and the format how to write in the decision tree. This was just an introduction. What is the meaning of this decision tree? Okay, that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you so much.